Well, we're back in the parking lot now, and we're gonna try to stop at some viewpoints now on our drive home. Hopefully there's enough daylight left to hit all the ones we want to hit. We are now hiking the Chasm Trail, which is about 1 kilometer long. We're power walking it, as you can see, Lauren, right now, because we got a few spots we want to hit before we lose daylight. So this says it'll take us about 20 minutes to do the whole thing. I bet we could do it faster. That looks fun. Is that the chasm? Maybe we see a different perspective further along the trail. You can see the river that creates the chasm. Here we are at Monkey Creek, a viewpoint on the map, but no signs pointing to it, at least coming back from Milford Sound. It's a nice little view of the valley here. Now we find ourselves at Pop's Viewpoint. We're walking down to what they call the Mirror Lakes. Apparently, if the weather and the lighting are just right, you can see the mountains reflected into the lakes just perfectly. There's ducks on that mountain. Just kidding. What's this place called, Lauren? We are in Eglinton Valley. Something of that nature. Not too far from the Mirror Lakes. Just getting the last bit of sunlight on the grass here. It's about to go down over the mountains. As you can see over there, it already has. We're losing the light right now. You're now officially on camera doing that. This one clip is going up on YouTube alone. And the sun is disappearing. There it goes, it's gone. Only a little bit of the grass is still covered in sunlight over beyond us, and now it has grown very cold.